men now in custody were arrested while trying to fly to Pakistan, and police believe there may have been international involvement in the plot. 2 passengers are missing after a terrifying ordeal on board a Greek cruise ship. Amazingly, hundreds of other tourists were rescued from the liner after it ran onto rocks in Santorini and doubled Sunshine and Police in the Central Australian city have expressed their frustration after... as their boat lifted heavily just offshore. The ship finally sank late today. The cause of the accident